funny.
What's
We
trending?
we kind of recapped. We talked about Lady Gaga. We talked about whose appetizers are the best. We talked about who won the first quarter. You know, today was pretty average.
Isn't that effing funny?
At the end of the day, though, I was saying to Susie, she didn't even have me rolling. I was like, and here I'm chin-chinning with her on everything. And I go, and Bill Northland, and I'm like, I'm the one who looks like the idiot on the video because Bill Northland made me use a wine glass for my
Tell me you
beer.
bringing a beer glass that her beer bottle was the size of.
That's why I said, can I use the beer
I
glass?
said yes.
I know, but you told me not to lose
You
the
gotta use that for
snowman. So now
Oh,
I
she
look
is.
like the idiot drinking the
You're
beer
not an
out of
idiot.
the wine glass.
No, you just.
But you know what? It's actually very apropos for the beer I'm drinking. They are Belgian beers, and they need a wide nose to open up, so I'm okay with it.
She loves a wide nose.
That part's true too. You need a wide.
Oh!
Just kidding! Turn that off. That is why you.
Definitely.